Harry House, an exceptional architectural masterpiece by Archier, located in Melbourne, Australia. This 430 square meter home is a stunning example of how functionality and beauty can coexist harmoniously in a family residence. Let's explore. Situated in a suburban area of Melbourne, Harry House is a hidden gem nestled at the rear of an existing cottage. Its exterior, wrapped in charred timber cladding, gives the house a unique character while blending seamlessly with the lush surrounding garden. From the outside, it appears modest, but inside, meticulous architectural design has created a space that's both highly practical and incredibly comfortable for a family of 5. The homeowners had a clear vision of how they wanted to live in this house. Within a compact footprint, key areas like the kitchen and dining spaces were prioritized, offering the best views of the garden and optimal access to natural light. Meanwhile, the living area is comparatively smaller yet remains cozy, with a connection to a small courtyard and proximity to the children's bedrooms. Although the clients initially envisioned a single-story house, Archier proposed adding a second floor. This not only provided a serene private retreat for the parents, but also maximized the connection to the garden, including 2 magnificent fig trees. The kitchen is slightly sunken compared to adjacent spaces, creating a more intimate interaction between the dining and cooking zones. A mirrored backsplash reflects the lush greenery outside, visually expanding the space and enhancing the connection to nature. One standout feature of Harry House is the use of netted hammocks suspended in double-height voids. These hammocks serve as playful spaces for the children while allowing light and air to flow freely. For instance, the south hammock near the staircase landing functions as a fun rumpus area. This creative touch not only sparks imagination but also makes the house a truly enjoyable place to grow up in. The rear extension is a neatly designed 2-story cube clad in charred timber. Despite the challenges of suburban planning restrictions, Archier strategically positioned first-floor windows to avoid the need for privacy screens or highlight windows. This approach maintains the internal space's openness and clarity. Harry House perfectly demonstrates how architectural design can meet practical needs without sacrificing aesthetics. Archier has crafted a home that is not only functional, but also brings immense joy to its occupants. This house is an inspiration for anyone seeking to build an efficient and characterful family home. Thank you for watching this episode of Block 7. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to stay updated on more home design inspirations. See you in the next video.